Welcome to myotherapyhealthcare.com. This is Laura Lee and Poe, and we are here to explain to you or do part 3 of industrial hemp. So I'm just going to go ahead and read this. Maybe you can figure out what's behind me. The sun's going down, so it's harder to read, but I'm going to go for it. So, industrial hemp. Practical products, paper to fabric to cosmetics. A little history on hemp, a technology breakthrough. By the end of the 19th century, hemp's vital role in commerce was in decline throughout the world. Technology such as the cotton gin had greatly cut labor costs in the cotton industry, whereas the hemp industry was not competitive due to a lack of mechanized harvesting and processing. At that time, only about 25% of the hemp stalk was usable. The remaining inner herds, the shorter fibers, were burned in the fields as waste. In 1916, there was a major breakthrough for the hemp industry. The U.S. Department of Agriculture produced a Bulletin number 404, Hemp Hurds as paper making material, which read in part, "This bulletin is printed on paper manufactured from hemp herds and declared that a new labor-saving decorticating machine would slash hemp labor costs, improve paper quality, and protect forests by providing a low-cost and abundant source to fill the world's growing need for paper. Hemp production," the bulletin said, would once again be America's largest agriculture industry. In 1917, a patent was issued to inventor George W. Schlichten, whose decorticating machine economically separated the hemp fibers from the previously unusable herds. Wirtshafter, author of the Schlichten Papers, wrote, "It was clearly the work of a genius, solving an age-old problem. Hundreds of inventors had tried to invent an efficient process to gather all the usable fibers. The new technology reduced labor costs by a factor of at least 100. The hemp industry was now in a strong economic position, able to use 95% of the stock versus the former 25%, while reducing labor costs as well. Several Minnesota companies built factories that used this innovative decorticating, fiber separating technology." Hydrocarbon or carbohydrates. I'm going to go ahead and read that in the next part. So this will be part, I'm not sure. So I think the next one will be part 3 or 4. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll see. I'll write in the description. Love life. Life will love you back. Bye-bye.